Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be making some crochet shorts for my boyfriend, and he asked me this and I had no clue how to do it, but I thought, I will just figure this out. But yeah, I'm not going to lie, I unraveled this so many times, and to start with the waist part I actually did crochet ribbing, but it was really hard to get the waist size right, and I'm not really used to crochet full garments, so this was a first for me. And I decided to do like this stitch with some transparency because he wanted something really fresh for the summer. And yeah, I just had to continue crochet until it came to the part where I had to separate the legs, and that's when everything got a little bit messier because I had to unravel because I wasn't getting this right. So yeah, just trying to figure it out as well, the length of this so I can get to that point. But yeah, basically this is how it looks on this stage. So guys, here's the thing, I don't know how to continue these crochet shorts, and this is how much I crocheted, and now I'm at this part where I have to separate the legs, and I don't have idea if this is going to turn out great or not. So yeah, this is where I'm at. I really like the see-through thing going on, and I really like the stitches as well. So I will keep you guys updated. I just bought more yarn. I'm also using a mixture of cotton and acrylic, and I'm really liking this yarn. Okay guys, so my idea is to crochet a little bit of each leg and see how it fits, and then continue and finish everything. But for now I think that I'm just going to play safe and try not wasting so much time. So let's see how it goes. As I'm crocheting, I'm also thinking that it would be nice to have like a shirt to go with them, and maybe add a little bit of color. I was thinking in something like blue with this black yarn, so let's see how it goes. This doesn't feel right to me because this is where the leg goes, and this is going to be between the legs, but this just keeps like in the middle, and it's creating this weird thing going on. So I'm going to unravel everything not everything, just the leg part, and then let's see how it goes. I unraveled this so many times now. I will try a different method, so let's see. Okay guys, so we finally finished, and this is the final result, like this, and this is the front part, and then the back part, and yeah, this is like the length. So they are not like too long. So I also added this, where is it? I also added this little chain inside, and I actually added this on the rib parts on the waist, obviously, so he can adjust to his size, and I think it makes the shorts more comfortable. So yeah, overall I really like them, and even though it took me so long, I think that I got the shape right. And I'm thinking on doing this in other colors as well, and you know, the shirt that I talked about, I'm really excited. So I think let's see how that goes, and maybe I can try with a different stitch, but the shape basically is going to be the same because I think it works really well. So yeah, basically these are the shorts, and I really love the yarn as well. So I think this is a really nice garment, and now I just want to crochet more. So yeah, that's a good part. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!